Welcome to our channel. If you want to use picture-in-picture mode to watch Netflix in a floating window while working on other tasks in Google Chrome, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Ensure you have the latest version of Google Chrome installed on your PC. Picture-in-picture support requires Chrome version 70 or later. Step 2. Open Google Chrome and navigate to the Netflix website at netflix.com. Sign in with your Netflix account credentials if you're not already logged in. Step 3. Start playing any video content on Netflix by selecting a show or movie and clicking the play button. Step 4. Once the video is playing, move your mouse cursor over the video player to reveal the playback controls. Step 5. Right-click on the video player twice quickly. The first right-click will show Netflix's context menu. The second right-click will display Chrome's context menu. Step 6. From Chrome's context menu, select the picture-in-picture option. The video will immediately pop out into a floating window. Step 7. The picture-in-picture window will appear in the corner of your screen, showing your Netflix content. You can continue using other applications or browser tabs while the video plays. Step 8. Click and drag the picture-in-picture window to reposition it anywhere on your screen. Place it in a corner that doesn't obstruct your work. Step 9. Resize the floating window by clicking and dragging its corners. Make it larger or smaller depending on your viewing preference and screen space availability. Step 10. To exit picture-in-picture mode, click the X button in the corner of the floating window, or click back into the original Netflix browser tab and press the picture-in-picture button again. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.